Hi, my name's Zoe, and I'm on a journey to become one of the best gardeners in Canada. To do this, I will have to learn every tip, trick, and method that makes growing in Calgary not only possible, but fun. Stick with me on this journey, and maybe you too will be well on your way to becoming a gardening goat. Nothing tastes better than a freshly picked veggie from your own garden. But growing here in Calgary is sometimes very challenging. Never fear, growing here is totally possible with just a few simple considerations. Soil is one consideration. The soil here in Calgary tends to be really high in clay, and it's hard for vegetables to thrive in it. One consideration is building your own raised beds. Raised beds give your veggies more room to grow, reduce pests, and have better drainage, making those veggies super happy. If space is an issue, many vegetables can be grown in pots or small planters. The next thing to consider is sunlight. If you have a bright, sunny spot that gets about 8 hours of sun each day, awesome. Lots of vegetables thrive in bright light. Squash, zucchini, and peas are all plants that love sun and are high yield, giving you plenty of vegetables all season. If your bed is in a shadier spot, but still gets around 4 hours of sunlight a day, root vegetables like carrots, beets, and radishes can all be grown in less light. Winter also comes super early here in Calgary. If you're planning on putting crops in the fall, make sure to get those seeds in well before the first frost. When planting your veggies, check out a Calgary-specific almanac for a detailed guide to the best dates to plant. For example, beets and parsnips can be planted outdoors by mid-May, but carrots can be planted as early as the end of April. With a little bit of planning and a lot of love, growing your own fresh vegetables in Calgary is easy and simple. For more tips and tricks on growing in Calgary, keep watching this video series and keep on becoming the greatest gardener of all time.